Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology, YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is high-performance computing for smart factories. Factories need small computers that run AI and work in tough conditions. This system fits spaces, expands easily, and stays reliable. The most powerful and scalable DIN Deutsches Institut for Norming Rail computer, dedicated to machine vision excellence. Factories and machine builders face challenges fitting powerful computing into tight spaces, handling high-speed AI tasks, and ensuring systems survive harsh conditions. They need compact, reliable machines that can manage heat, support flexible I/O, and scale with diverse machine vision requirements. Syncus's Magnet line, its fourth product family, tackles these issues with DIN Deutsches Institut für Norming Rail embedded computers designed for the machine level in smart manufacturing. The first model, MD3000, delivers desktop-grade computing in a compact 150mm chassis while supporting Intel Core processors, up to 6-slot scalable expansion decks, SEDS, and over 10 scalable expansion modules, SEMIS. This flexibility lets users expand for various input-output, storage, and AI needs. For high-speed image processing and AI inference, first model supports Intel 12th TO 14th generation core CPUs, 35 to 65 watt up to 96 GB DDR5 double data rate 5 memory, and dual NVMe non-volatile memory. Express SSDs solid-state drives. Heat management in the small chassis is handled with two patented solutions. The dynamic thermal mechanism transfers heat efficiently from the CPU central processing unit to external fins. And Smart OTP monitors fan status, adjusting cooling to maintain stable long-term CPU central processing unit performance. The modular SED scalable expansion decks and SEM scalable expansion module design allows users to mix 2, 4, or 6-slot decks with hot swappable modules for input-output interfaces. PoE power over Ethernet M2 expansion and storage, while a guiding rail system simplifies installation and maintenance. With DIN rail support, 150mm height, and front-facing input-output, the model fits tight control cabinets. It withstands wide temperatures, wide voltage input, shock, vibration, and meets industrial EMC electromagnetic compatibility standards, ensuring reliable operation. The model combines high-performance modular scalability, compact design, and rugged reliability, providing a solid computing core for smart manufacturing and machine vision applications. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.